Hello everyone, welcome to this course. This course is all about YouTube SEO. You know, YouTube is the second largest search engine and the number one video sharing platform. We will improve their artificial intelligence and use that in YouTube too. So there is a revolutionary change in YouTube SEO. In this whole course, I will cover every single SEO technique in latest YouTube. Nowadays, standing in YouTube become too hard for beginners. I've researched on YouTube SEO and got many interesting information. I've tested them in my videos and it really worked. So I got to cover everything in this course so that you can get success in YouTube as fast as possible. In this course, we're going to learn how a good thumbnail should look like, how to make a good title, how to write a proper description, how to do keyword researching, advanced tagging, and some cool SEO hacks. Let's move on.